The world class operates from objective reality, whereas the middle class operates from delusion. So, this is the essence of the first chapter of the mental toughness secrets of the world class. This is rightly explained because the middle class who has high ambitions but hesitates to pay the price, they are in the comfort zone. 70% of the people who are in this zone, it actually tells why it is very much needed for everyone who is having high ambitions. Not only having high ambitions is important, taking the actions, believing in yourself, and looking at the having the vision is very much important. Unless you operate with that mindset, you cannot grow. There is one excellent quote: you cannot solve a problem with the same level of consciousness. This is from Albert Einstein. So, this is where the problems that you need to solve, the ambitions, goals that you need to achieve, can't be done with the same level where you are right now. This is where you need to be tough on yourself. You need to be mentally tough. You need to be taking actions. So that is where the difference between amateurs and professionals. Professionals can't take a chance of losing. How? By practicing that extra, by thinking that extra. What is that? The extra that you are doing, the extra that you are contributing, is how it will create the value add, and it will take you multi-fold steps in the longer run. So, as long as you are in this process, it is very much guaranteed. So, this is the essence of the first chapter of the mental toughness secrets of the world class. This has been taken from so many achievers, world class achievers. Hope you continue on this journey with this secret by imbibing this secret one by one. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay tuned.